Hello, my family and friends. This is Tania, Miss Tania Lou here again. I want you to know why I named my song the Foreign Festival Song. Gimme the black, green, and gold. No, the Jamaican flag, which is our sacred emblem, has the colors black, green, and gold. Our flag is a sacred emblem, and devotion must be paid to our flag. Now, the significance of the colors is this: black is the people, but we have black and colored people. We are from African ancestry, and of course, we have people from India, China, all over the world. And so we have black and mixed ancestry. That is the meaning of black. And green is the verdant land. It's green and lush. And gold is the sun. And might I say, the yellow, the gold, signifies the beauty of a Jamaican smile. Yes, we have beautiful smiles. And so that's the reason why I wanted to pay homage to my country and to pay homage to our sacred flag. And why I'm doing this is because on August 6, 1962, we got our independence from the United Kingdom. And so we are happy and we are proud. Yes, see my flag? To raise the Jamaican flag high. And so my song is encouraging others to raise our flag high by being the best that we can be in all that we think, do, and say. And so when I say, gimme, 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 gimme the black, green, and gold, simmy, 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 now me black, green, and gold, I am showing pride for my country. I am giving honor to my birth country. I am a Jamaican Canadian. And so this competition I've entered is for Jamaican diasporans all over the world. And so I am one of 2 Canadians that is entering this competition. And I really hope you'll vote for me so I'll get into the top 7 so I can go sing this anthem-like catchy song. Yes, raise your flag. Shake your body, jump down as all over the globe. Oh, gimme, 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 gimme the black, green, and gold. Ay, ay, ay. Vote for me, please. JIIFSC.com.